Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GusandShow.com. I want to talk about getting an FHA loan after bankruptcy or after foreclosure. If you have a foreclosure on your record and you want to go conventional, you have to wait 7 years. If you have FHA, it's only 3 years. So keep that in mind. That's one of the quickest ways to get a mortgage after foreclosure. It's for a good rate. Now we have non-QM loans that offer high rates and large down payments, but if you want that low down payment and that good rate, you have to wait 3 years from that foreclosure date. Now that foreclosure date is the date that the property was taken out of your name and put back in the bank's name, not the date you walked out of your house or the sheriff put your furniture on the front yard. That's the date they threw you out. The date that they actually transfer the title out of your name. That could happen a month later, that could happen a year later. So we got to find that date, wait 3 years. So that's the foreclosure rules for FHA. Bankruptcy is 2 years from a Chapter 7 discharge. So if you're 2 years discharged, no lates after that bankruptcy, you'll be eligible for an FHA loan. Now if you do a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you're eligible 1 year into the Chapter 13. You can do a manual underwrite all the way up until 2 years discharge from the 13, and then you're back to a regular old approved eligible FHA loan. So during that 1 year in, up to 2 years discharge is considered a manual underwrite. You got to pass the manual underwriting tests. And those are the rules on the bankruptcy on an FHA loan. So we covered foreclosures and on both bankruptcies. If you got any questions, give me a call, 630-915-7550. Please subscribe.